We have been making money on a weekly basis consistently again and again and again in my inner circle. While other people are saying, it's okay if you're losing money in crypto right now. The market is really hard. No, it doesn't matter what crypto does. Rather, it moves up or it moves down. As long as if you have a good strategy, you should be making money consistently, regardless of the crazy thing we're hearing in the news right now. Now, not all of these gains are big, fat, and juicy, but these gains are consistent. And as long as if you're able to have consistent wins again and again, your crypto wallet will grow and become big, fat, and juicy. But I'm starting to see a shift in the crypto market where things aren't moving the way they used to move. So if you're someone who still wants to get into the world of trading crypto and want to succeed at it, here's what we're seeing. And this is what I'm telling those in my inner circle that we can implement it to make profit while this shift is happening. Crypto has completely changed the course of my life. I'm going to tell you guys a story. Back when I got into university, I thought, I'm going to go to university and then I graduate and I'm going to find a job. I'm going to find a job that paid me 6 figures, 100K, 120K. I'm like, that's going to be the dream. Whew. You guys, reality kicked in and I finished school and I had a buttload of student debt. I was broker than broke because I owed money. And I ended up finally getting a job. And then the job that I got, I'm like, I'm like, this, it was like $30-something thousand a year. I'm like, this is insane. I'm like, I'm not going to be able to pay off my student loan until I'm like 100 years old. Like, this is insane. How am I supposed to make this work? And then I ended up meeting someone from my church. And what I was making in an entire year, I saw him with my own eyes make a trade. And he made my entire salary. And I went absolutely insane. But that opened up my eyes to the power of trading. So I wanted to learn how to trade and I wanted to learn how to invest. But I was so scared because I didn't want to lose money. So I actually ended up putting this much in my trade, you guys. This much amount of money. I put in $5 in the trade because I was so scared. And I completely forgot about it. Then when I was talking to my brother one day, I'm like, oh yeah, I remember I put like some money in and ended up looking at it and it was $15. You guys, I felt like a baller. I'm talking about, I felt like I was the richest man in the world. I felt like I was Jeff Bezos. Like I was Elon Musk type of money. I made it because it just showed me the power of crypto. I started thinking, man, if I put $1,000, it would have been $3,000. If I put in $5,000, it would have been $15,000. And majority of my friends, when I was telling them to get into this world of investing, get into this world of trading, none of them took it seriously and none of them got in with me. But I stuck through it when everyone else didn't. I went hard at it when everyone else didn't. That's why one of my favorite quote is watch the masses and do the opposite. And I was able to make enough money in crypto to pay off my student loan from trading. I was able to pay off credit card. I was able to get investment property. So if you're someone where you are getting into this, but you're not even sure if you should go hard at it, this is the time, you guys. Ignore what the haters are saying. The amount of people who tell me I was dumb for buying Bitcoin when it was around $18,000, $15,000 price range. And the amount of people who thought this was never going to work, but now they see me now, they're like, dang, I should have listened to Naicke. So if you're that person where you're not sure, then deep dive and learn everything about this because you can succeed, you can learn it, and you can achieve your goal and get your crypto wallet big, fat, and juicy and live your best life. Now back to the crypto gems. Before I explain to you the new thing that we'll be doing as the market shifts so that we're still able to make money consistently, you have to be able to understand this. We saw Bitcoin hit all-time high when it went a little bit over $126,000, and that was back in October of 2025, as you can see right here. And the interesting part about that, how we've been able to make money consistently again and again and again, is because ever since then, the market has been going down. We had a red month in October. We had a red month in November. We had a red month in December. We had a red month in January. We had a red month in February. And that is how we've been able to consistently profiting. We have been shorting because majority of the market has been red. Most of these bubbles are red. So we have been making money while the crypto market is going down. So shorting doesn't mean making money for the short term. It just means making money while crypto is going down. I have no idea why they call it shorting. Technically, they should call it downing, making money while it goes down. But don't ask me who made it up. But now for the first time, yes, I had to make myself super small so you can see the screen. We are actually seeing that coin is closing in the green. Today is the last day of March, depending on when you're seeing this video, and March is closing at a green day. And this is the first time it's happened in 5 consecutive months in a row. But here is the thing. If you look at the way that Bitcoin has actually moved historically in different bull markets and different bear markets, there has only been one time in the past 14 years that we've seen Bitcoin have this many consecutive red days, meaning we know that that pivot is going to happen. And that is actually what I am starting to see happen right now in the market. Let me shrink myself. We got to look at Mama Coin. Back in 2018, Mama Coin went down in the month of August right here, almost 10%. And then she went down again in the month of September, and then August, and then November, and then December, and then she went down again, even in the month of January. That's 6 consecutive months. That's almost half of the year. And then after that, what did Mama Bitcoin do? Up and away, 11% gain, 7%, 35%, which is crazy. Your alt would have done 50%, 70, 80, XRP, Solana, Ethereum, your favorite crypto would have skyrocketed. Next month after that, it did over 52%. You guys, ours would have up and away to infinity and beyond. No, I do not think Bitcoin is now going to pump in the month of May and do 52%. And we're going to see our alts do 100%, 120%. But what this is, it's an indication that we've had so much downtrend, so much sell-off, that now it's time for the market to start making a bit of a recovery and a bit of move towards the upside. And I think that now is the time, if you're looking to make money in the short term, if you've been struggling, but you want to get your crypto wallet big, fat, and juicy and be able to make consistent wins like we have been doing in our inner circle, I think now is the time where you should shift from taking short position, which is making money while the market is moving in the downwards direction, to now focusing on possibly taking some long position to make money while the crypto market is moving in the upwards direction. And if you're someone who is actually serious about leveling up in crypto and you're seeing these big, nice, fat, juicy crypto gains, not all of them are big and fat and juicy. Some of them are smaller, but you know what? They're consistent. And consistency compound to become big, juicy gains. And check out the link in the bio. You can join my community absolutely free for the next 14 days. And if you hate it, then set a reminder on your phone and just cancel before the 14 days is over. But do not sleep on crypto. Do not let another cycle go by. So many people always tell me, oh, I remember when my uncle, my brother, my friend, my this person told me I should have gotten into crypto. This is the time to get in when prices are cheap, when prices are down, not when prices have skyrocketed and it's near all-time high and everyone is selling, because that's when everyone starts selling and prices move down. So don't make the same mistake of getting in late when you can still get in when there is so much opportunity in the crypto market right now. Join a group of people like me and everyone else who's crushing it, and learn how to read the chart and learn how to understand when's a good time to buy, when's a good time to sell, and all that good jazz. And remember what I'm going to say right now. If you don't remember what I'm going to say right now, I'm going to come through this screen right now and you and I we're going to wrestle. We're going to wrestle. We're going to get into it. I'm not playing with you. Lock in. You should be getting a crypto wallet big, fat, and juicy. Okay? This is important. Everything I tell people in my inner circle all the time. If you want to make the most amount of money in crypto, the easiest way to do that is riding the crypto wave. And I say this in a lot of my videos. When prices are moving up, we buy when it's moving down so we can make money when it goes up. And when we see prices are moving in the upwards direction, we take the short position to know it's going to move down. So now we're starting to see that shift in the market. Yes, prices have been moving down, but even though it's moving down, we had these spikes towards the upside. And then it always crashed down more. Hence why we're taking short position where price is moving down. We're getting our crypto wallets big, fat, and juicy. Now with the momentum now shifting, indicating, hey, prices might start moving towards the upside. What that means for us is now when prices start to move towards the upside, we're going to wait for prices, some type of pullback. And when it has these pullbacks right here, that's when we enter. That's when we enter. And these are the points in which we sell to be able to make profit in the short term. But that's only half of the money. We have to set ourselves up to make money now, which is our short money, which is today, tomorrow, this week, this month. Take out the wifey, live your best life, travel, so on. But also money for the long term when we're grandma and grandpa and we're old and wrinkly and we're in our rocking chairs. And that will come from, first, let me erase all of this. Taking our crypto money and we divide our crypto money into two. This is making money right now, and then this is making money in the in the future. Jeez, that sounded. In the future. F stands for future, you guys. So I want you to see this, and this is what a lot of people sleep on. If you invested $5,000 in Solana, one of my favorite cryptos, $5,000 in Solana when it was $8 because it crashed all the way to $8 and it ran up to $2.95. Let's change that up. It would have given you over almost $200,000 in profit. Yeah, you can't live off $200,000, but guess what? Do you know what that does for you? It significantly changes the shift and the direction in which your life is going to when you have an extra $200K sitting in the bank. And even if you don't want to do this for Solana, but yet you're doing this for a more conservative crypto like coin, $5,000 in Bitcoin still would have given you close to $40,000 in profit. And Mama Bitcoin is the safest crypto for you to invest in to grow your crypto wealth and maybe add an extra zero to your net worth. So I don't care how much money you have. Naicke, all I have is $500, $1,000. It doesn't matter. In my inner circle, we started with $1,000 and now we're scaling it to $10,000. We already doubled that $1,000 already. And now we're going to double it again. So it doesn't matter how much money you have. Allocate some to make money now and also allocate some for the future. Because as much as you hear all these advice on social media when the market is going to bottom out, no one truly knows. So we continue to buy the dip little by little by little, because it's going to bottom out, then up, and away, and you'll just be able to sit back, do absolutely nothing, and you'll wake up and every single month, profit. Like the last bull one when you would just wake up, green, and then you're just taking out your money little by little while smiling and living your best life. If I was brand new to crypto while this market shift was happening and I still want to make money in crypto in the short term, these are the crypto projects that I would be focusing on. And the advice I'm going to give you isn't what a lot of people on social media, on YouTube, on TikTok are going to tell you, but I would only focus on allocating my funds towards trading these crypto projects, which are cryptos within the top 100, meaning I'm not focused specifically on only trading Bitcoin, only trading Ethereum, only trading BNB. If you really want to be really safe and only trade the crypto projects that are very safe, you can only stick to your Bitcoin. You can only stick to your Ethereum. You can only stick to your BNB. You can only stick to your Solana, and you can also stick to Tron. Now, you might be thinking, Naicke, why am I only going to stick with those crypto projects? Because when you look at the historical performance of those crypto projects in particular, those are the crypto projects. When you go on them and you click on all, you will see overall, those crypto projects have insane value, meaning every single cycle, even though prices skyrockets up and then it crashes, skyrockets up and then it crashes, it always ends up reaching a brand new all-time high. So trading those crypto projects like Bitcoin and Ethereum, what happens is even if you suck, even if you're terrible, even if you end up making a mistake on those crypto projects, it is okay, because historically, those crypto projects are the ones that always increase in value. So based on its previous historical performance, even if I buy it at the worst time possible, if I'm able to hold on to these crypto projects long enough, history shows us they end up running back up to a new all-time high. So they're technically the safest crypto project to trade. Now, does that mean guaranteed you're always going to make money? They're always going to run up? No. But when it comes to trading, what we want to do is we want to lower our risk and increase our probability of getting that crypto wallet big, fat, and juicy. And that's by focusing on those crypto projects that I just showed you, because they have that history of just running back up. Now, if you want to be a little bit more, you want to look at the other crypto projects, because I know you. There's so many of you who say, I want to do 50x leverage. I want to do 100x leverage. I know. Don't jump into that if you're brand new. Those are when you can start looking at the other crypto that I was mentioning, meaning stepping away out of those crypto projects that I said and looking at the top 50 crypto projects, looking at the top 100 crypto projects, because those are the crypto projects that are a lot more volatile, meaning they will go down down really, really hard. But you might think, I don't want my crypto to go down really, really hard. Well, the cheaper it goes down and you're able to scoop it up, you're able to buy it, then it runs up because you bought it at a cheaper price. Guess what? When it runs up really hard, pumping away, you're able to make more profit. So once you start seeing that you're able to trade some of those larger crypto projects, you're able to constantly make money, then that's when you can start looking at the top 50 crypto project, the top 100 crypto project. But if you're really new, I just recommend really sticking with the top 5, then moving your way to the top 10, then moving your way to the top 20, the top 30, 40, and 50. But more importantly than that you actually decide to trade is also making sure that you actually have a good strategy and a good game plan. Hence why I always say, and look at me in my eyes because I'm dead serious when I tell you this right now. It doesn't matter what crypto does. Crypto does 3 things. Prices move up, prices move down, and price moves sideways. Sideways, you can't really do anything. It's way too hard. Ignore sideways movement. But the major thing is when it moves up and down. And if you have a good strategy, it doesn't matter what crypto does. It doesn't matter what direction it moves in. You can make money consistently.